everyone, today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here, and it's so gorgeous, it's so pretty, and I am inspired. Every single video I feel like I have is like an inspired video, and you guys probably don't think I have like a video, like a makeup tutorial that I have that I thought of myself, and I totally do. I have a bunch of those, but for me, I feel like I have so little of those, but I have a lot of them. I know I do, but then I don't think I know that I do. Does that make sense? It probably doesn't. But I am inspired by this look right here by Tina, and oh my god, she is gorgeous. She is like literally like a Barbie doll. Like literally her, Daisy, and Shelby, if you don't know, like I feel like that's like a gang that I want. Like I want to be like in their gang, you know? But if you don't know who Shelby or Daisy or Tina is, I will literally probably make a whole video saying how pretty they are. Like that's literally what I would do because they're literally gorgeous. And I saw this look on Pinterest and I knew who it was, so I pulled a picture up on Instagram, on her Instagram. I was like, I'm gonna do this look, so I did it, and I mean, it's kind of similar and not like the same exact thing. She used a more brighter yellow while I used more of a warmer yellow, I feel like. So this is the picture that I saw on Pinterest, and I just went by that, and yeah. But anyway, if you want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. Also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Everything that I used on my eyes today and my lippy will be down below for you guys. My social medias will be down below for you guys. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, inspired by Tina, then keep on watching. So the first palette that I'm going to dive into is this Tarteist Pro palette, and I am going to take the color, if I can open the palette, this color right here, which is called Bold, and I'm just going to take that and put that in my crease. And I'm going to kind of wing it out a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with Innocent right here. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. Put that in my crease and kind of wing it out. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, and I'm going to grab this color right here, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light, and I'm just going to cut the crease. Okay, so I did put my ring light a little bit brighter than it was because I felt like it was a little bit too dim, so I just brightened it up a little bit. I'm going to be taking this Revolution makeup palette right here in Reloaded, and I'm going to be taking this yellow shade right here, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid. Alright, so I'm going to grab this right here. This is the Ulta Beauty Glitter Tears eyeliner in Comet. And I'm just going to put it really where that empty space is right there, where you could see like the concealer. That's where I'm going to put it. Now I'm going to do a wing. So I don't know what liner I want to go in with. I'm going between these two right here, This is the Maybelline, oh, well, I dropped it. But this is the Maybelline New York Line Stiletto Ultimate Precision Liquid Eyeliner in, what is this in? Blackest Black. And then this is the Eyeco London Waterproof Lash Enchanting Carabin Black Eyeliner. And yeah, I don't know which one I want to go in with. The eyes are pretty though. They're very, I don't know. It doesn't, I feel like on camera it's not giving it justice. Like IRL, it looks really pretty, and once I have like my face makeup and everything on, it'll look really, really pretty and very summer-like and stuff like that. But on camera, it looked real bad, to be honest. Alright, so I just used the Eyeco one, and I'm going to do, like, put on mascara and plop on my falsies later. But right now, I'm going to do my full face off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys so we could, like, you know, finish the look and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm baking right now because, you know, I want that sharp contour because, you know, your girl is going to Ulta and she wants to look like gorgeous or whatever. So we're going to be taking the same exact colors that we put in the crease. So I took, the first color that I took was Bold, and I'm going to take that and just blend it on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking the color called Innocent. And then I'm going to be taking the Comfort Zone palette and taking this color right here, doing the same exact thing. And just because I want the bottom lash line to be not smokier, but a little bit darker than the, like, color up here. I'm going to add one more color, and I'm going to be taking this one right here, and I'm going to be putting it really close to my lower lashes. And I'm going to put it in my waterline, and be careful when you do that. Sometimes I do this when I feel like I need to, when I don't want to have like a white or black liner. I want to have a eyeliner that matches the eyeshadow. I'll like put some eyeshadow on my waterline, but be very careful because sometimes this will, like, this can mess up your eyes. So just like be very careful by doing this, and yeah. Now I'm going to be taking the Tarteist Pro palette. I'm going to be taking the white in the palette, which is called, what is it called again? Classic. No, Vintage. That's what it's called. Vintage. This one's Classic. This is Vintage. And I'm going to be taking that, and I'm going to be putting that on my brow bone. Now I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour eyeshadow in Iced Latte. And I'm just going to put that on my inner corner. Alright guys, so I am done with this makeup look. I do want to say what I used for my lashes, and I did do something to the eyes also. And I want to talk about what I used for my lippy. I was going to do my lippy with you guys, but then I was like, let's just do it and let's just like get it over with. So first of all, the color that I put on the bottom lash line, this one right here. Remember when I put it in my waterline, I actually took my finger and just took it off. Like, I didn't like it, so I just took it off. And I actually took this color and put a little bit on the top also, just because I felt like I liked it before, but then when I put on the lippy, I felt like it looked a little weird, so I just added that color to the crease a little bit. And then the lashes I'm wearing are the Eylure lashes in, what are they called? I literally don't remember what they're called. Fiercely Fabulous, that's what they're called. And then the lippy, I used this Mellow matte lipstick in Posh. And then obviously I put a lip gloss on top, and that is the Too Faced Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Peach Please. I really like how this turned out, and if you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Also, subscribe if you're new. And once you've hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like and comment and all that jazz. Everything that I used on my eyes today and my lippy will be down below in the description for you guys, just in case you guys missed anything. I don't know if you did, you know, it'll be down there in order. So yeah. Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter will be down there for you guys to go check out. If you guys want to go find me and, you know, contact me, or, you know, I don't know, like you want to look at my other pictures. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!